To pull away a slice of a pie chart, you would select the chart, which will select the entire chart. And you can see that these bubbles here show that each slice is selected. But we only want to focus on the active case. So we're going to select the active case by left clicking it one extra time. And now that it is selected by itself, we can now drag the active cases slice away from the chart. And that is a way of highlighting that particular slice. To change the color of this slice while it is highlighted, we're going to go to the Format menu, and we're going to go to the Shape Fill and select a color. I'm going to select red. So now that slice has been changed to red. And if I wanted to change it to a Patterened Fill, then what I will do is in the Format Fill menu, I will go to Pattern Fill and just select a different pattern to represent the slice.